What happens when I clip this automatic wand to the door frame? My cats get so excited. They jump, stand up, even almost fly. This is the newest dual mode automatic wand. And here's what makes it different from others. It has 2 separate movement modes. No more just bouncing up and down. It adds a 360-degree spin that really taps into a cat's hunting instincts. And it's super kitten-friendly. Now my cats are way more active. I don't even worry about them getting depressed anymore. Buy it now and you'll get this accessory pack too. Swap out the different parts and your cat gets a new toy feeling every time. They never get bored. Best of all, my cats aren't bored anymore, so they stop scratching my couch and rug. It saved me so much money. If you need this too, the link's right there. Go grab it.